our channel. Today we got this box and we don't know what's inside. Let's open it. So excited, guys. This is a beautiful pink box. It looks like a gift. Wow! Oh my god, guys! This is a foodie surprise! And one for you, one for me. This is for you. This one is for me. It has something else inside. Hiding it here. Let's see. I just found something. Look, guys! This is everything. I think it's something else is hiding it. Oh, I think there's something in here. Oh, it's an envelope. It has my mommy's name on it. Now let's open our foodie surprise! Wait a minute, look! Funny. Look guys, this is our foodie surprise from that, and this is so cute. Look, it has real Oreos, and it's so real, but it's just pretend. Let's open the strawberry. I think this is opening too. Let's see. Wow! Oh, so what else we got here? Look, let's open it and see what is inside. Look, this one says foodie surprise. Look, guys, I got ice cream. I got it too. And now we are gonna make yummy gummy treats. Nothing inside here. Oh, we got everything on here. Let's open strawberry. My one. Oh, it's a gummy food. Let's make it and fly it. It's got a delicious fly. Yummy yum in my tummy. Guys, here we have some foodies and some shapes and let's start to making. And when you got yours here, let's make waffles the color with orange color. Guys, for that we need the cup and a little bit for water. So guys, with this we are gonna make it quickly, and my mommy gonna help me a bit. Oh my god, this smells amazing, guys. And one waffle is ready. Let's make my waffle together with my waffle. This one smells so good. It's like a real waffle, guys. And I'll quickly mix it. And now we can put it in a waffle shape. Oh guys, this is very nice smell. And now let's put it here for 5 minutes and wait for it. Guys, now we are gonna make gummy cherries. It smells like cherries. We need to mix it for 10 seconds and look, it's red. Guys, now we are gonna put it in the cherry shape. Here, mommy, to sit. And let's make more. Now Ava's one. Now my one. Guys, this is waffle with the cherries. Now we should make banana, little bananas. Like now let's take yellow for the surprise and make banana. This one smells like banana. Yeah, bananas mix it properly. I want to mix. Look guys, we have 2 more banana shapes. So they'll be like a real fruit. So now we are gonna make vanilla scoops. These are the vanilla scoops. I don't want the vanilla. Guys, these are the strawberry scoops. Guys, this smells like a strawberry. Do you like it? Yeah. Guys, now all our food is ready. Now we are going to get a plate. Now I'll show you what happened. It's a treat. Guys, look, we got set of plates. Now we are going to plate it nicely. This is one waffle. This is the second waffle, and then we can put some scoops of vanilla and strawberry. Vanilla. Now I'll put some topping and our dessert is ready. Guys, look, it's so much cream on it. It's so delicious. Finish. Guys, there's something else in the box here. It says surprise. So look. 1, 2, wait, 3,